Today we will be testing a Forex trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex trend trading strategy. Before we do though, wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 286 different strategies with 88 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 178 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,009 indicators with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex trend trading strategy. So the source video says, do this and you can't lose money in trading. And so quite an interesting claim. Of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of the strategy. And so we'll go ahead and hide these two indicators here. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the double EMA with pullback buy and sell signal. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings of this one, and under the inputs, the pullback right here, you're going to change to 7, and the EMA 1, you're going to change to 45, the EMA 2, you're going to change to 100. Go ahead and click OK. Everything else stays on the default setting. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the Donjon Trend Ribbon, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and again jump into the settings, and under the period right here you're going to change that to 18, and this is up to you if you want to do this. I changed mine this way, but again, it's totally up to you whether or not you want to do it. Basically, I went through each one of these plots and I changed it from columns to area. And so you can see each one of these, it just went down the line and changed all those from columns to area. And it just gives a little bit cleaner setup here at the bottom as far as this color switch from the green to the red. And so now, once you've done that, everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when we get a buy signal like this right here from the double EMA pullback indicator. When we get that buy tag like this, we're then going to look down to the trend ribbon and we want that to be green. And so you can see here that it is green, and if I hover over this candle right here and you look at these numbers right here, these number coordinates, you can see that all of them are green. If I come back over here and hover over the red, you can see they are red. So that's a handy little tip to help you identify. Sometimes when you get real close to the switch like this right here, it can be hard to identify whether or not it's green or red, and that'll help you do that. You hover over the bar, look at those numbers there and the colors that they currently are. Okay, so back to the long trade, we got the buy tag right here, the green trend ribbon. Again, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. Want to put our trade right there. Want to put our stop just right at the bottom of this buy label, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Just play this forward and see how it plays out. You see we just kind of bounce around a little bit, but then eventually stair step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is the sell tag like this right here from the pullback indicator. And then we're going to look down to the trend ribbon, and we want that to also be red. Again, if I hover over this bar and you look at the numbers here, then you can see all of them are red, showing that it is in fact the trend ribbon is red. At that point, it's going to be our signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop again just right at the top of the sell signal, the sell tag right there. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we make this spike to the downside right here. It does get us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades, putting it at a 42% win rate. If you are looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. And so, not a horrible strategy, but also not a profitable strategy. And sometimes strategies that just kind of hover right in the middle can be somewhat more frustrating than ones that just flat out lose. At least if they just flat out lose, you know that it's not a great strategy and you just stop trading it. Ones that just kind of hover in the middle without really losing or winning just give you a lot of false hope. And so now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 59 trades altogether, had 48 winning and 11 losing, putting it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $28,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $15,600. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status as well, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator. On these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin, this is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades altogether, 4 winning, 2 losing, a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $680. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning, 0 losing, 100% win rate. Would have been a gain of $1,200. For the week in total, we would have been up $1,880. And at the 28-week total, we would have been up $46,290 over 221 trades. And you see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.